This is how to switch off your tyre pressure warning light on your Vauxhall Mokka. This is a 2015 model. I've got a 2014 and before video out because it is a different dash. So if yours isn't this dash, check out my other videos for the one of the earlier dash. Right, on with this one. So we've got the light on. We're going to be using the same as usual, the menu button, the twisty bit and the set clear button. So looking at the info display in the middle, I'm going to press the menu button. There we go, and it brings you up onto tyre pressures. If it brings you up onto something else, you use the twisty thing just to twist round. Oil life remaining 0%. Yes, it's due for a service. I've got an Insignia video on how to reset your service light on that one. So first thing we need to do is check what tyre pressures we're actually going to be using. Now this one's set to light. If you press the set clear button, it takes you through. You've got light, you've got eco, and you've got max. So light is regular tyre pressures, eco is basically the full load pressures, and max is the full load pressures, but we're going to leave it on light. So we're going to press the set clear button to exit, back to the load, twist it again, round to your actual pressures. Now as you can see, these are all over the place. So what I'm going to do now is go and do the tyre pressures, and I'm going to leave you with a view of the tyre pressure chart, which you will find on the B post. Just there. Right, now as you can see, the tyre pressures, they're right on the gauge, but there's obviously a couple of them that are just a pound out, so I'll just alter those. But the main thing is the light's gone out, so there's no specific way of resetting it. Just set your tyres, by the look of things, to within 1 psi of where they need to be, and it'll switch your light out automatically. One interesting thing I've found with this vehicle, the wheels are programmed to each corner. So if somebody's had a tyre changed and they've said put it on the front and it's a back wheel, it'll alter. So if you blow this one up, it may change that reading. So if you blow that one up, it may change that one. It's just taken me about a quarter of an hour to work out which wheel is where by altering the pressures and seeing which one changes. An interesting feature that I'm sure somebody thought was a really good idea at the time, but yeah, very frustrating if you're just trying to blow one tyre up. So that's how to get your light out. Basically, just check your tyre pressures, make sure you're setting them to the right load. Other than that, that's all there is to it. If I hope this helps, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.